Cyndi and
Peyton.
And we're here again from Flourish, and we're doing a modified version of Breath of Fire. We do have a video of Breath of Fire, which is a Kundalini powerful breath. That's a very strong, equal equal inhale and exhale that can be really restorative. But for some, the pace of it can be too hard to do, especially those of you just beginning, and that's totally okay. But what I was able to figure out when I was working with some clients is a way to use that equal inhale and exhale in a powerful way, but do it a little bit more slower, and then gradually making it slower over about a minute and a half, so that we allow the heart rate that can be elevated when we have anxiety or panic. We can really work with the heart rate and start to just slowly start to slow the breath down as a way to slowly decrease the heart rate. And of course, what we know, as the heart rate decreases, we are going to then exit our fight or flight and enter into a parasympathetic nervous system, which is where we thrive, which is where we do all the good stuff. And you might find that Peyton might, during this breath, she might yawn. And a yawn is a good thing with this breath. A yawn means that we are in parasympathetic nervous system. If you feel a little lightheaded while you're doing it, it just means that you're not exhaling as fully and as equally in the count as you are for the inhale. So just notice how you're experiencing this breath as we're taking you through it. Okay, are you ready, Peyton?
I'm ready.
All right, so let's just start with one breath in. Good, and an exhale, and as you can see, Peyton has her hands on her belly because the diaphragm, which is right behind her hands, right around your belly button, is going to be key here in pumping this breath, though it's going to be a softer pump than what we took you through in the other Breath of Fire video, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the Breath of Fire for 1 count inhale, 1 count exhale, and again, it's equal. So here we go. Breathe in, out. In, out, in, out. Beautiful. We're going to do that a few more times. As you can see, it's very equal. There's no pausing in between. It's the same amount of time for the inhale and the exhale. Beautiful. And in a moment, we are going to gradually hold it a little longer. Instead of in for 1 and out for 1, we're going to come in for 2 and out for 2. In, 2, exhale, 2. In, 2, out, 2. In, 2. We've got one more of these, and we're going to extend it a little bit. We're going to breathe in for 3, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Beautiful. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. One more of these, and then out. And then we're going to do one more. In for 4, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. One more. And out, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Now let's take a breath in. Suspend it, hold it, and really let it out through the mouth. And return your breath to where it wants to go. And I'm noticing you had that beautiful yawn in there. How are you feeling? You look a bit blissful in a way, or even tired.
Yeah, I feel a little blissed out, a little sleepy. Like I could very much take a nap. I feel like I want to melt.
Nice. Nice. And I want to tell everyone that I have some struggles, or a lot of struggles, falling asleep, especially if I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I often do this breath to help me go back to sleep. It's really beautiful for that, right? Doing it for nap time, but also, you know, just during the day, even practicing it just to get your body familiar with it. So in case you are having some type of panic or middle of the night, oh my God, I need to go back to sleep. If you practice it, it will come upon you. It will be easy for you to recall it. Thank you.
Thank you.